picture perfect, paint the picture perfectly. Make sure it's worth it, and sell it for that green you seek. Get rich quick scheme, people use it to fulfill their biggest dreams. People use it cause they think they will get rich, but they end up broke like a bitch. I say, make it your own way. If you trust in God, He will lead the way. Some people ruin other people's lives, but they don't care cause to them it's all go mine. There are two types of greed people seek. Either it's the money or it is the weed. We humans live by a saying, money is power and power is might. Everyone wanna be someone they ain't. I say stay true to yourself, cause ain't nobody know you better than yourself. Everyone wanna be famous, they don't wanna be someone that's nameless. Appreciate the time you've been given. Don't sit and whine that you ain't Charles given. All people wanna be rich, they don't wanna be some broke little bitch. Ain't nobody want to be a cop, they just wanna star on the boulevard. They just want to be a movie star. They just want to make all the fucking green. They don't want to work for it, they just want it given. They want to take the easy way like some bitches. They don't want to be called bitches, but they take the easy lane like some bitches. Money brings power, power brings might. Might breeds evil, that's not right. Money means corruption, corruption means evil. Evil breeds demon. Look up the 7 sins, temptation is there. Money is temptation, so priests are liars.